Hey guys, guess what? We're going to have another big one doing today. I'm going to be making star fruit and ginger juice, one of my favorites as well. We all know that ginger is very good for our body and immune system, but star fruit also is really good. Let's get into it. Let's go. Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna do star fruit and ginger juice, one of my fave. Alright guys, as you can see right now, what I'm doing, I'm paring my star fruit. So I'm washing it thoroughly. Why I do this? Because I want to make sure that everything is clean, all the star fruit is clean. Because what I'm going to do, I'm gonna peel the sides and the edges. Alright, so because what happened is the star fruits were damaged when I was picking them off the fruit tree. So what I'm actually doing is cleaning them thoroughly, one by one, taking my time, make sure I get in the corners, cleaning them thoroughly. Now as you can see, now I already peeled and clean up my ginger. Now I'm just washing them for a second time. Make sure they are properly rinsed and clean. Alright, what I'm gonna do right now is put them on my cutting board because I drained them off in the sink. So I'm making sure that put them on the cutting board, because what I'm going to do after this is starting to peel them. As I said before, I'm going to cut the sides and I'm going to cut the edges off. That's very important. That's how I like to do them. Alright, so as you can see right now, I'm starting to peel them right now. You gotta get that edges out and those sides off to put them in the blender and blend them up. Alright guys, awesome. Now, as you can see, I put them in the sink. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my blender ready so I can start the process of blending up the ginger with the star fruit. Alright, this is very important. You notice how I did my edges and my size. I cut them all off. Now I'm gonna get my blender ready. Let's go, come on. Alright, awesome. Now I prep my blender. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna start applying the star fruit into the blender. Notice how I strategically put in the star fruit in the blender. Very important. Why, you ask? Because when I starting to blend the star fruit and ginger, I want the blade to go through those ingredients thoroughly without this sticking to the blade. So I strategically put them in like that for a reason. Then I'm gonna add my ginger to it, and also to add to it, I'm gonna put a glass of water in it. Why? Because I want to stretch the juice and also help it not to stuck to the blade. This looking like I'm gonna need some more water, so I'm just gonna cover my lid and I'm gonna apply some more water. Awesome. Now here am I adding some more water to the fruits. Fantastic. Now I did it in 3 stages. First I'm going to start with the grater. I'm going to grate the fruits for about a minute or 2, and then I'm going to switch it over to the blending mode. Now the blending mode now is going to dice it up for me even more than the grater. That's very important. Alright, awesome. So now it's in the grater mode, and as you can see, you're hardly seeing any sediments in it so far. Right, this is about 2 minutes, sorry, 2 minutes. And then now I put it on liquefied mode. Now liquefied mode is going to get it very liquid, and then that's about a minute or 2, and then turn it off, move to the next step. The next step, what I'm going to do is get my strainer ready. So I'm going to get that done right now to pour it out. Now I've got my strainer ready and my container to where I'm going to throw the juice in, pour the juice in rather. So there you go, see me removing the juice from the blender to the strainer. Make sure everything is out, and then I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to start to press it through the strainer. First I got to plug that out, don't want any damage, not an accident rather. Alright, so I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to start to stir it and press it to the strainer so it could press out the juice. Taking my time not to create no spill. There you go, as you can see, the juice is coming out. Smooth, just the way I like it. Guys, anyone can do this. It's very simple. All you need is to get all those equipment that I have in this video, and you can do it as well. It's very easy. See that I'm pressing it out right now? Make sure I get all those juices out. Awesome. So finish pressing it out. Now get some more out because I see that little bit is leaf. All right, what I'm gonna do now I'm gonna take out the trash out of the strainer, discard of it. See, that's all the trash right here from the star fruit and the ginger. Awesome. I'll put that aside. Now we're almost reached to the ending of this amazing demonstration of the juice. So you see me taking some water and get that out of the mesh, so the mesh don't have no clog. Right. And then I'm going to show you the process of pouring it out. But first, I'm going to add 2 spoons of brown sugar. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Just 2 spoons. I recommend you use a tablespoon for this one. All right. All right. See? Now I'm mixing all of that mixture together to give that nice taste. Guys, I tell you, this is truly refreshing. I mean, I wish I could share it with you guys through the screen. This is really refreshing. You can have this on a hot day, and you can just get it right and just have a good cup of ice with it, and it's truly refreshing. Making sure that I get all the sugar in. Very important. Now the next process I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it again. All right, fantastic. So I'm pouring out the juice into the strainer. Final process to make sure that nothing gets left behind. The final part and the presentation is coming up. So guys, if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment in the comment section, and subscribe. And here's the final product, guys. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you on another vlog. Be blessed.